Gopal, 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 Gopal. Krishna is Gopal, the protector of cows. We all know Krishna loves cows. So when this Govardhan Leela happened actually, just before that, we heard that how the Brajvasis were planning to do Indra Puja. And then Indra gets angry and then he sent these torrential rains to destroy Vraja. And then after 7 days when all his efforts were defeated, and then he realizes that what a foolish mistake he has made and who is Krishna. So realizing that, Indra actually comes to seek forgiveness. So when he comes before, he comes and he falls at the feet of Krishna and Krishna gives him no audience. And Indra starts weeping and weeping and weeping and the whole kunda is filled with his tears. And that's how he creates the Indrakund. And near Indrakund is Airavat Tila. So when Indra had come, of course he had come on Airavat. So the place where Airavat or his elephant, his foot has touched there is the footprint and that is still there at Govardhan. So when Indra's this effort was defeated, what he thought is, let me come with a recommendation. This person is not listening to me, he is not looking in my direction. I need a powerful recommendation. So whom he approached? He approached Mother Surabhi. Why? Because Krishna is Gopal, the protector of the cows. Krishna loves cows. So this time when Indra comes, he keeps Mother Surabhi in the front and he was hiding behind Mother Surabhi. So when Krishna looks at Surabhi, his heart melted. And then Surabhi recommended Indra's case that, this poor king of heaven had no discrimination, had no intelligence, and he did a mistake. So my dear Lord, could you please forgive him? And that request was accepted by Krishna. So Mother Surabhi, she started giving milk. And so much milk that another kund was full of her milk. So there is Surabhi Kund, there is Indra Kund, and there is this Airavat Tila. And later on we will see that how this milk was taken for Krishna's Abhishek. Hare Krishna.